my fall Dollar Tree finds for today. I am loving this orange pumpkin placemat for fall. And now in this luxury candle section, you have this awesome gold candle holder. They also have black for your pillar candles. Down this aisle, I couldn't wait to grab the wireframes to do my DIY wreath for today. So that's gonna be so great. Ooh, a fall leaf tea candle holder and a mason jar tea candle holder. Now down this aisle, I wanted to grab some florals just to add some pizzazz to my DIY. I love this orange mug and this gnome mug that I found. In this section, they have these mesh fabric materials that I was really inspired to bring together for my DIY today. I am really enjoying this section a lot. So many fall items, from this sunflower to the leaf clip-on, so many clip-ons, which come in handy for lots of DIY, lots of fall decorating. Also, they have so many bins of pumpkins, fabric pumpkins, plastic pumpkins, shiny pumpkins. Oh, they have corn as well. I was able to pick up a few of these clip-on items just for my DIY. So, definitely keep an eye on this because all of these came together so beautifully for the DIY. Checking out the candle section, they have so many pillar candles. I want to use that with this eucalyptus potpourri and create some candle DIY. They have so many different options to just make things smell good. So I really enjoyed this section. Check out the candles at Dollar Tree. They have different accessories for candles as well. Now, you can't do fall without some cozy socks, right? So I found these E.T. and Eggo socks and these cloud animal inspired socks. I'm not even sure what animal this is, but it was so cute, so I definitely picked it up. That looks like an owl. And these were boot socks. So there are so many awesome fall options here at the Dollar Tree. Now here's some fall inspired tableware that you can't go wrong with. I love this glass. And look at the pattern on this plate. Grateful? Yes, I am. This section was actually super aesthetic. I would say if you find this section, definitely grab something from here. A lot of candle holders, even that was a taper candle holder. This school supply section got me, but that's for another video. Let me just get right into it and make a couple of these napkins. Super easy DIY tablecloth napkins that will go on your dinnerware when you serve your guests. These items over here, they are from the Dollar Tree. This is a little plant that I'm gonna use as part of putting together this table napkin. These are some clippable pumpkins. They have clips in the back. This one is a brown color. It also has clips in the back as well. I also did get this plant. And then, oh my gosh, these beautiful bows, so gorgeous. Perfect for fall. These orange napkins, I already purchased them a year ago from Amazon. And then I already had this as a string, also from Amazon. And then I have my handy dandy scissors. For the second napkin, I'm going to try a different design just to see how that looks. So for this next DIY, we are making a fall wreath. These are items from the Dollar Tree. This is more like a decorative mesh ribbon. I got it in orange, I got it in brown, you know, like a woody color. And then I did find this cute, absolutely adorable owl at the Dollar Tree as well. I want to add these cute sunflower. It has some wiring at the back. I also have these. They're so fun. I thought this would be so cute to just kind of add to the bottom of the wreath. I did get these corns. I really like this color. This looks like more of what I would eat when I roast corn. I feel like these are gonna also be really good with this as well. I also have this color. I do have this bow. I may include some of this. Also, I did get this floral wire. You could use it to like tie things down to the wreath. Let's not forget the main character. So I did also find this at the Dollar Tree. I feel like they had maybe 4 or 5 shapes. This should not take long at all. Instead of using this wire to actually put the owl on, it was much easier to just use the yarn. I used it to tie the owl down. It's more sturdy. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap all of this around this metal circle. I felt it was best to do these accent items first before doing the wraparound. So I'm gonna be adding these beautiful sunflowers here, and then we'll do the final reveal. So for the next DIY, we are going to be doing some nice fall candles. You're gonna need 2 plain candles from the Dollar Tree store. So I got these, they were only $1.25. I also got some of this eucalyptus scented potpourri. I do have these ribbons, also from Dollar Tree. I do have my handy dandy scissors, my twine. This is actually from Amazon. This jar is also from Dollar Tree as well. Yeah, $1.25. All the supplies you need to do this DIY. So I'm adding this into the glass, into the sides of the glass, making sure it's filling up properly. So some of the things that I did buy from Dollar Tree that I kind of didn't really talk about, I did find this really pretty aesthetic looking candle. It's a twist candle, super pretty. And then of course, you know, you saw that I got these socks. Oh my gosh, these socks are super duper cute. I can't wait to wear them. They seem really cozy. These were so cute. They gave me retro vibes. E.T. iconic, right? I did see a peanut socks. If you're a size 6 to 13, then you could definitely go and scoop up this Peanuts crew socks. Now, I also got this beautiful emerald green-ish, I think it's emerald green, vase. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. I could not resist it. This will probably be good with flowers in it, like faux flowers or real flowers. And you could add it to your table setting. If you loved this video, even if you liked it just a pinch, definitely consider subscribing, especially if you made it this far. Definitely subscribe, definitely turn your notifications on, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, bye.